Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm reminding you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, buzz a share on the block in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, other than the fact that Marley said had, other than the word had, but I agree with everything else I'm saying in the statement, viewers and subscribers. One of the things Vybz Kartel used to stand out among the crowd of other dancehall artists was articulation. The way Vybz Kartel structure a sentence, viewers and subscribers. Even in an interview, certain interviews, the way Vybz Kartel conduct himself is different from any other dancehall artist we have seen to date. As a matter of fact, we are making Marley talk, then we are continue the reason.
Incredible artist.
It seems like he had the people, especially in Jamaica.
Definitely had the people.
Had the people.
Definitely had one of these. I mean, at this point, he's still, Jamaica's top dancehall artist. Very articulate, very creative, very, his whole swag and everything was so different, so fresh, and then it was a little outside of the norm because even though, Vybz Kartel, just the way he, like I said, the way he articulated things, and even no matter even if it's about woman or guns or whatever it was, it's still the way he articulated it was something fresh and new, and then
subscribers, and as Kimani said, articulation is definitely something even Bob Marley himself used in a reggae music. People like to talk about Bob. Remember, just like Vybz Kartel himself said about Bob, Bob was the same artist of the reggae music who the nation never really support until the tourism board decides to say, alright, we can use him image to market the island. And then everybody starts saying Bob Marley, like they were long time supporters and fans of Bob Marley. Not so. But articulation was definitely something Bob Marley used to carry reggae across the globe. If you notice the track One Love, and a whole heap of patois in a One Love. Him actually I use standard English. Him never that twang, but a standard English. Vybz Kartel's articulation, the way him can put thought into speech, has definitely enhanced the way a dancehall sound. Even in latest track, Sociopath. The lyrical content from that track, the way him refer to different references made by other, wouldn't say indie artists, but other individuals, and the way him put it into music. We have never seen that done. We have never seen somebody put thought into speech the way Vybz Kartel has done and still convey the same idiom as average individuals in our community, because it can be a topic of discussion where people are talking about, people are discussing it in our community, and him can put it into music and him not readily repeat what they must say, but when him express himself, you can still understand. Even if the word, most of Vybz Kartel drop tracks and the words in particular where him use and a day-to-day words for people. People don't really have them words in them vocabulary. But when him say first and when him say after, still get that main understanding, so you see what the teacher forward with. Even though the word when him use is not a word that you would use on a day-to-day basis. Articulation. And many artists nowadays, there's a wave, if you don't notice what I go on. Even artists were born and raised in a Kingston, Jamaica, I talk like them born and raised in a Westmoreland, Hanover, Senti. These slangs, the more country slang, it dominate dancehall music right now because we have more dominant artists from that side of the island. Tell the truth, majority of the artists I say dominate the platform. If I'm a Vybz Kartel and a few other artists from the Kingston area, and mostly Moby and Ochi artists, they say dominate the platform. The Six, TJ them, even the production side, majority of the prominent producers, especially the producers that Vybz Kartel I work with now. Big up TJ and big up all other producers the boss work with. But Navigator, Turbo them. You know the Clarendon thing? Clarendon badness viewers and subscribers. Atto, Shabdan, dim, damage them. And more be badness that viewers and subscribers. It has shifted. We will say this. Musical dominance has shifted from Kingston. One at a time, it half a forward at town. It half up here for bus. Because majority of the big studios, they base up here. But now you can get the equipment and you can build a studio anywhere you want in the world. Anywhere you there, you can build a studio in your yard. Majority of big prominent rap superstars have studios in their home. They don't have to travel go nowhere to make music. All them to get up, feel like make music and walk the hall and turn left, turn right. Them studio that and then just gonna make music right there and then. So things have shifted on that side. So other than the fact that Marley said had, because had means past tense. Means the teacher no longer has because he used the word had. But we disagree with that. Because the teacher still a lot dancehall music right now. You name another artist you a lot dancehall music. Name one. And we will give you the time. Yes, we will allocate you the time to do so. Give me in the comment section another artist who you would say a lot dancehall music. Who not have to call nobody name to remain relevant. Vybz Kartel is one of the only dancehall artists who not have to mention another individual to remain relevant. And despite his situation, because people look at his situation as, boy, it's going to be something that will hurt him career. Now you have the naysayers where I say, because of his situation, it actually a benefit him career because people know that when him there and they now can see him perform, it make them more nostalgic of the music. It is true. The fact that we won't be seeing him this month, next month, on a stage near us. Of course, when we look upon the previous performances, it does create a form of nostalgia. We are look back and we are say, say, yeah, remember all the performance, remember when that song they come out, me did that grade there, me that do that, me that do, yeah, it gives that form of nostalgia there. But at the same time, we have to talk about the lyrical creativity of the teacher show continuously putting on display dancehall creativity at its finest. We're not seeing other dancehall artists. Even if you're not a supporter of Vybz Kartel, you're not a fan, you have to say this. The teacher is the most creative dancehall artist we have seen currently. Big up all other foundation artists who show with creativity. And remember, all artists who forward onto the music scene after other artists, whether or not they will admit that they were influenced by these artists, yes or no, it is true. And Vybz Kartel is no exception to that. Vybz Kartel is a product of his environment, just like everybody else. It's just the different aspects that you use to make you. No doubt Vybz Kartel listen to all of the greats. And the teacher continues to pay homage. The teacher have songs, actually have song where him big up Buju Banton and saying, what you know, Buju is an artist where me feel like say, there's some music that stop. Vybz Kartel is recorded as saying such. And at the same time, we know say respect goes out to Bounty Killer. I remember, the artist who bring Vybz Kartel to prominence, without a doubt, is Mr. Rodney Price, more popularly known as Bounty Killer viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, at the boss. I'ma see the performance. Of course, was a juvenile. Me the born? Yeah, me the born man. But me the young. When Bounty bring Vybz Kartel at Skateland. And over our place, I never Skateland town. Put more Skateland. And him drop him track. One of the most controversial tracks I ever heard to at that point in time. The teacher first performance. And I think in attendance, some only prominent people in attendance. You know what I mean? I think the presidential did there. And members from the Matthews Lane family did there. Only for people did there. Only for people. And the teacher sang when we wrote it was a song where I talk about extradition. I said, we know for extradite yardy. Then I say, yo, this is definitely a prolific artist. And Bounty, they probably know that during them time, Bounty have big tracks where then they call him the poor people's governor at that point in time. So for him find an artist like Vybz Kartel with these prolific song lines, these prolific concepts for new tracks. No wonder Bounty I say, yo, from a sip, Vybz Kartel, we didn't know say him gonna be the future game changer for dancehall music. If you look for the performance, you can go search it on the platform. First Vybz Kartel performance. If it not say a Skateland on it, one of them they a Skateland, he must sing a song about extradition. That was him first big performance beside Bounty Killer. First. And listen to the song where him run out with. showing dancehall music. Say, yo, we have plenty more in storage, and we have a whole heap of things to look out for. We are not your average dancehall artist. We come here to tell a girl and to shake them bam bam and do this and do that and rain. No! Common as music that is common as music. Them now put no lyrical. There is no lyrical effort being exuded. All them do are basically repeat what any other artist has said or could have said. Vybz Kartel is definitely an exception in a dancehall music. Vybz is the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the ads, drop a like on the blog for me like with your ear. Share icon in close proximity. Drop a share on the blog. Tell a friend, Anywhere in the world, tell them sister and brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7. Never lucky yet. Just be respectful of them guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, the comments and your opinions there. We can continue reasoning via the comment section. You know, move settings fam. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until the reason again.